How to order on Instacart. For this, go ahead and install the application or visit its website www.instacart.com. Now, once you are here, you'll be able to find stores where you can order food from or groceries from, or you can even reorder your previous items. Once you have done your order, tap on the cart icon at the top. You can add for more goodies if you want to, or remove the item by tapping on the remove item at the bottom of the order. Once you are happy with it, just go ahead and tap on the checkout bubble at the bottom. Select delivery time, date, and hours for your delivery to be on your doorstep. Tap on Get Free Delivery if your order is over $35 and enjoy your food to be delivered for free. On to the next step, you have to add your delivery address detail if you do not have added it yet or previously, or you are new to it. For payment option, go ahead and use your debit or credit card, PayPal, or any other payment method available in your region. Now, once you do that, you will be notified when and where your food item or grocery will be delivered to you, and you can go ahead and live track your order as well. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.